Stop by and take a look at the 2019 BMW X2. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, power steering, electronic stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.